Okay, so behind me here, I got me an International Lodestar. My younger brother and I went half and half on this truck. Um, Looks pretty good. I'm going to do a walk around, look on the inside, and show you what all's there and what's not. Okay, so first off, we got some rust going on here. A little bit up there. It's mainly there on the hood, here on the fender, and just a little bit right down there on the step. The rest of it looks really good. I don't see a whole lot of dents around, so I guess that's a good thing. It does look like it was an army truck. It says U.S. Army right there, so that's kind of cool. There it is, Lodestar. It's got the same kind of rust problem going on right here, but there's not any on the hood here. Let's open up the hood here. Battery. That's probably not any good. So, first off, we are missing. Oh boy. That two thermostats in there. One of them's broken up, and the housing that goes over top of that. Something that's missing there. Is that part of the intake? Maybe. There is a valve cover missing over there. Let's jump over to that side. Looks like we're missing some trim around this one. That's still got it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, there's a push rod right there. There's two push rods over there. So we were missing 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 5 push rods. We're missing the, oh, what do you call that thing? Of course, our spark plug wires are loose there. So it is a V8. It's gasoline, of course. Let's see. It looks pretty complete, actually. And let's look in the cab real quick. Let's see if I can figure out how to close this. We'll leave it for now. Okay. Let's look in the cab. The front windshield actually has a crack right there in the center. I don't know if you can see that. The rest of the glass looks really nice. Oh, check out the stainless steel fuel tank, which is awesome. And I was looking at this. All stainless steel lines under here too, which is really cool. That's gonna cut down on some replacement parts. Okay, so that's that lifter assembly that's missing under the hood there. There's the for the thermostats. There's the hose that's missing off the radiator. Well, cool. This looks like the, there you go. Yeah, that's the cover for the center there. It actually looks in really good shape here, inside here. This seat has a plastic cover over it. And under the seat, under the plastic cover, I mean, the seat looks great. It doesn't look bad at all. So, we'll dig into that. Headliner is gone. There's a little bit left. Right there. With some mouse turds on it. Throw it out there. Yeah, we didn't see that. Okay. So there's our cab light wiring. Easy access. Huh. Chewed gum. What's this? It's just trash. It's just, yep, it's all trash. Okay, let's see here. Hey, blinkers. Blinker knob works. Lights, that works. Vent. Pull on, push off. That's not doing anything. What if we got lights? We have lights? No lights? Well, can't say I'm surprised. Yeah, that was a big problem while I was unloading it, was the air pressure. Wait a minute, that's oil pressure. Never mind. That was not a problem. Okay. There's the air pressure. That was the problem. Yeah, no air pressure, and so the back brakes were locked up. Okay, let's go around to the other side and open up the glove box and see what's under there. Okay, you're fine there. Ooh. That doesn't sound good. So if we shut it again. Okay. A little bit of body work. I mean, I guess that's to be expected. A roof liner is gone. Oh. Yeah, that's not cool. That, my friends, is where the snake was. There was a snake in here. Okay. Oh, shoot. Do I have to reach in there? Do I really have to reach in there? What if he's still in there? I mean, he's probably not still in there. But it doesn't smell good. I mean, it really doesn't smell good. There's a book right here. Operation. Ooh. Ugh. Man, it smells bad. That's fine. What's this? Ah, light cover. Okay, so overall, really cool. Pull open, push closed. Pull on, push off. Pull on, push off. What are those for? That knob's broken off. None of these really work. They're all stuck up for some reason. Here's the choke. A throttle. I bet it's like a high idle for like the dump or something. Oh, our throttle pedal. Oh no, it's there. It's just laying on the ground. Looks like we have some daylight showing through down there. But anyway, this is really cool. The back window looks really good. Look at this rear differential. Thing's massive. So, our plans. We're gonna get rid of 1 or 2 or 3 or 8 of these leaf springs, and hopefully that'll lower the rear end down. We may have to notch out the frame there for the rear axle, or I guess we could just put a whole new axle in. I don't know, but we won't have to get a new fuel tank. That's awesome. Won't have to get new fuel lines. Won't have to get new air lines. We will have to get valve cover gasket. That's a bummer. Oh, there's a random belt. That's not good. So, another thing we're going to do is we're going to lower the front end here by taking out about 4 of those leaf springs. That'll lower the front end. So yeah, stick with us on this build. We'll have a lot of fun with it.